What's going on, guys? Monty tuning in with another video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how I'm going to be using TikTok to fund my next car. And it's very simple. All I do really is post and promote products on TikTok. And I'm going to break down everything in this video and how you guys can exactly do it too, so you don't have to depend on people for money. Because my life was great, and then I started needing people for money, as anyone else does, just to get by. And that's when life became awful. So I'm teaching you guys how to make money by yourself, so you don't need anyone telling you what to do. So we start off on TikTok, and what we do is you just buy a product from TikTok. And obviously, if you're buying it, it's a product that you like. So when you receive the product, you're just going to make videos talking about the product, and you're going to receive a commission when the video sales. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically how it's been going for me. I literally just started selling products on TikTok as a creator a week and a half ago. It's been not even a week, actually. It's been around a week, and I'm already making $50 a day. Literally every single day, $50, $50 coming in. And it's March right now, but I can't drive until June because I don't fuck with the system. I drove without insurance, so I got a ticket for that, and they suspended my license for it. But anyway, by the time June comes, as long as I keep putting up product videos, like, I'm gonna have enough to get my own little car. And the kind of car that I want, I'm a simple dude. I don't really care for the ego at all. Like, efficiency comes first. So I'm really just trying to get a Toyota Prius, and they go for, like, you get a great Prius for like $4,000. I've had multiple Priuses in my life. I literally had 3 Priuses, and when I get the bread, I'm getting another Prius, and that's going to get me around. I'm going to be the happiest person ever, bro, because it costs $25 to fill up a tank. And that $25 is going to get you 270 miles. So Prius is definitely a way to go. So it's very simple making money on TikTok. Like I said, all you're going to do is get a product, make videos with the product, get sales from the video, which is actually very, very easy to do. And the reason it's easy is because when you attach a product to your video on TikTok, TikTok actually promotes that video. So that video with the product is just going to get way more views than just a regular video. So if you're someone that doesn't get a lot of views normally, when you post a video with a product, it's going to get way more views. I literally have a video that I posted 4 days ago, 5 days ago on my TikTok. My TikTok is Monty Be Fit. You can check it out. I posted a video a couple days ago, and right now that video is at 159,000 views. And off of that video, I made like almost $300. And like, the last 7 days is at like 200 and high. Today I've made about $40, $45 so far, and it's the middle of the day. And that's cool and that's great because that's only one product, you know what I'm saying? As I keep on doing this, moving forward, every single day posting more videos, I'm gonna have more products that I'm gonna be promoting. So it's kind of like real estate in a way where you just have money coming in from multiple different videos, and it's very, very attainable and easy. Trust me. I'm someone who people don't like. When people see my face, they don't like to spend money, right? I've struggled so much in my life as an entrepreneur because I try going to people and selling myself, and people don't want to give me money. So, I've lost faith in a lot of areas in life in terms of like expecting people to give me money and things like that. So I realized, that you just got to keep on trying different ways until it works. And this TikTok stuff is really the way, even for people like me, just keeping them being with you. And that's just one way as a creator. That's one way you can make bread. But another thing that I'm doing on TikTok is I also own a TikTok store, and this costs $0 to do. So there's 2 ways that you can literally make so much money off of TikTok. I talked about this in a previous video, but I'm gonna talk about it again just to sum it up real quick. All you do is you make a shop on TikTok, and it costs no money. All you have to do is verify that you're a real person and like show that you're a citizen, and then you get products from AliExpress. So go on AliExpress, find a product that sells and they're going to put all the top selling products at the forefront. And then from AliExpress, you just find that product, take the pictures from that product, put it on your TikTok shop, and up the price like $20 and watch it sell. Now I did this, I put up like a seamless bra, because women spend the most money. So I put up a seamless bra on TikTok, on my TikTok shop. And the first day I put it up, it literally got sales. It got, this one person ordered 2 of them. And I got the product for like $5-6, and I sold it for $20.98. And they bought 2. So immediately I was like, okay, bet, like this is a great product. People are already buying it. So what TikTok does is it helps you to connect with people that create content. And I basically found 3 female creators. I sent my product to them, and they're gonna, make videos about it, and the money's just gonna start raining in. The money's just gonna start coming in. Because when you post a video on TikTok, 6 months from now, that video can still be getting views. So you post videos every day. I'm telling you, there's so much money to be made. I know someone who made $50,000 in 1 month off of TikTok. I think, if I keep on doing what I'm doing, I always like put the lowest expectations for myself, just because I don't want to get too excited and then be disappointed. So I was like, just not expecting anything. And here I am literally a couple days later, and the more you post as well, you're going to have more companies that reach out to you. So right now, I literally have 3 companies that have paid me to promote their stuff. Now, one of them I didn't accept because they wanted me to go live with it. And I wasn't like spending an hour of my day to, go live promoting someone's stuff. Like, this is too much of my time. So, but like I have 2 companies that have paid me. One paid me, I used $50. Other one paid me $50. So I get paid $50 plus commission sales. And, just starting out from the bottom, when you have, nothing to like say, oh yeah, I'm qualified. Like $50 isn't bad. Some people are going to be like, oh, $50, that's nothing. But when you're just starting out, you're going to have to take lower amounts. You can't just ask for $10,000 when you have nothing to show for it, So everyone starts somewhere. I have 2 companies that have paid me $50 to promote their stuff, and I'm making money every day off of, the videos that I made last week. I'm still making money every day from it, and it's not going to stop. It's going to keep on racking up, guys. So take this free game. If you're really trying to get rich this summer, if you're really trying to free yourself financially, then you're going to take what I told you in this video and you're going to apply it, because there's no easier way to make money. I literally woke up out of bed this morning and my job was to post a video. It took me 30 minutes to post a video on TikTok, and then I went back to sleep. And that video probably got me a couple sales. Now, like I said, you can be a creator, or you can have your own shop and fulfill orders that way. But just know, when you have your own shop, you need to know 2 things. And one of those 2 things is you can only use suppliers from the US. So when you go on AliExpress and you look at all the items they have, make sure that you have US only, because TikTok doesn't support international shipping, and I had to learn that the hard way. And the second thing is just to, I don't really remember what it was. Just have faith, guys. Just have faith. Everyone's making money from this TikTok stuff. You can do it too. You feel me? Every demographic under the sun is able to make money. And actually, statistically speaking, the people that are making the most money off of TikTok right now are Spanish-speaking women. For real. Because as a shop owner, it tells you, how much money creators are making before you apply to like work with them and stuff. And I see like people making 10,000 in the last 30 days, 9,000, 8,000, 7,000. And it's mostly Spanish women. Like, they don't even speak English. Like, you look at the videos and it's literally like they're speaking Spanish in the video. So, that's just some statistical research of the market right now, how people are spending the money, who's spending their money, whatever. So I gave you guys that free game. I'm not selling the course. I have nothing to sell. I'm really just being transparent with you guys. And yeah, by the summer, I'm definitely going to have at least 4 bands just from this TikTok stuff. So, I have another job that I do as well, and it pays great. But I'm trying to make as much money as I can easily from this TikTok stuff, because I don't even have to leave my room and I can make money. Like, seeing $280 in my account, and I didn't have to do any selling, like just made a video with me using the product. It's very simple, y'all. So 10 minutes of game, 10 minutes of my energy. Do what y'all want with it. Peace out. Definitely subscribe for more videos and stay tuned, because I don't know, only way is up. Peace out, y'all. Monty.